Hey guys, thought I'd do a quick video for you today. This is my Dodge Challenger. The outside is gorgeous, black, shiny, beautiful. Unfortunately, the inside came with the base interior, which is a gray cloth interior with white stitching. As you can see, has a check pattern, has the SRT logos, but it looks very washed out. And this is like new condition. This is the way it comes right from the factory. Very plain looking. Now, after the Katzkin leather was installed, huge transformation. White stitching is gone. We now have black stitching, black leather everywhere. We retained the SRT logo. Actually has a red eye in the eye of the logo. Center console lid and the wrap around the shifter has been replaced with black stitching. Passenger seat is beautiful. Really nicely done. It took about 8 hours for this install at the shop. Back seat is beautiful. Wow.